So this is my Audi A3, and for 4 months now it has been off the road, MIA. I was a bit stupid and took the crankshaft pulley bolt out, bought the wrong one, didn't know what engine I had, uneducated mistakes, as they all seem to go, and bent all the valves. So for the past 4 months I completely stripped down the engine, got the head rebuilt, and now it's back together. And so this video is preparing it for the MOT and doing a couple of little modifications. And as you can see here, I am putting some new plates on, the 3D gel ones to be precise. I just think it cleans the car up and makes it look better than the original plates, 100%. So here is the front plate. So now moving on to the back plate. This one was a bit harder than the front. Now I know it shouldn't be hard to take a rear number plate off. However, first bolt came out easy. Second bolt did not want to come out. I turned the screwdriver and kept turning it, and it was almost like it was on a spring. So yes, indeed, I did end up giving up with the screwdriver and yanking it off, as you can see.
2,000 years later.
Just ended up peeling all of that off and scraping it and picking it where I could. Then I decided to give it a clean, use some white spirit and just a normal microfiber cloth to prep the surface for the new number plate to go on. Now you can see I'm just pulling off all of the back tabs for the 3M sticky tape. Now yes, a lot of people have said that I used a lot of M3 strips. However, you know how it gets. I don't trust them. So it's now day 2 of me doing this video, and I thought before the MOT, let me spruce it up a little bit and sort out the last little bits. So this is my engine bay, if you wanted to know what it looked like. I have had a few stickers laying around for a while, so I thought, do you know what, let's go for it, whack a few on, have a bit of fun, considering that I haven't had that much fun with the car in 4 months. As you can see, just pushing the sticker onto the intake pipe now. And if you were wondering why idle was so rough when I cold started the car, that is because I took the carbon inserts, I think they are. It's part of the runner flap delete, but this car is a crossover year, and unless I was to get a cast aluminium, that is all I could do for a runner flap delete. If you've made it this far in the video though, be sure to let me know down in the comments what content you would like to see. I have a couple of video ideas in mind. I have a downpipe that definitely has a cat on it to install, and I've also got some other parts to install, but the car will be passing the MOT this week, probably the week that the video goes up. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what videos you want to see, and I will do my absolute best to provide. And now you get to enjoy some clips of me washing the car, which it hasn't had in 4 months. But thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the clips, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.